The 2026 Toyota Hilux isn't just updated, it's re-engineered to dominate. Built for war, zones, wilderness, and work sites alike, this global icon now packs hybrid tech, luxury interiors, and unmatched off-road mastery. Here's why no other pickup comes close. From first glance, the 2026 Hilux commands attention. A redesigned front end features a larger hexagonal grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more aggressive stance, all part of Toyota's modern design language. Flared wheel arches house, bigger alloy wheels, improving off-road capability and giving the truck a more rugged, yet sophisticated look. Every line of the body serves a purpose, whether it's improving aerodynamics, increasing strength, or simply enhancing its road presence. From the sculpted side panels to the tough-looking rear tailgate, it's built to take on anything. But the real story lies beneath the surface. Toyota has significantly upgraded the powertrain options for this generation, offering a wider range to suit different markets and customer needs. One major highlight is the introduction of a turbocharged diesel engine with mild hybrid support, a move that boosts torque and fuel efficiency, while keeping the Hilux's hallmark towing and payload strength intact. In selected regions, a gasoline hybrid is also available, aimed at eco-conscious drivers who still demand rugged capability. For those focused on off-roading, Toyota offers an electronically controlled four-wheel drive system, along with options for a 6-speed manual or a responsive automatic transmission. And the mechanical upgrades don't stop there. The suspension system has been fully re-engineered. Rear leaf springs have been refined to offer better damping, especially when the truck bed is empty, a common source of balance in older models. At the front, suspension tweaks enhance steering feel and minimize body roll, resulting in a smoother, more confident ride whether you're navigating city traffic or rugged backroads. Inside, the transformation is even more impressive. The cabin has evolved from a strictly utilitarian space to one that rivals many luxury SUVs in terms of materials and design. High-quality finishes, soft-touch surfaces, and a sleek dashboard layout give the interior a premium feel. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, offering built-in navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and intuitive controls. A fully digital instrument cluster, available in certain trims, displays customizable data like fuel economy, hybrid performance, and off-road stats. An optional JBL premium sound system rounds out the tech suite, making long drives or tough jobs a lot more enjoyable. Safety is another area where the 2026 Hilux shines. It comes equipped with Toyota's full suite of advanced driver assistance systems under the Safety Sense umbrella. Features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning with steering assist, and more. For off-roading and tight city parking alike, a 360-degree camera system and a front-facing off-road camera, typically reserved for premium SUVs, are now standard on many variants. Practicality, of course, remains at the heart of the Hilux's DNA. The truck bed is built for real-world use, featuring a reinforced surface, multiple tie-down points, and optional accessories like a retractable tonneau cover, modular dividers, and a bed-mounted 220V power outlet. Payload and towing capacities remain best in class, with top models rated to haul over 3.5 tons. Off-road variants come with features like skid plates, locking rear differentials, all-terrain tires, and specially tuned suspension systems to conquer any terrain with ease. And with dedicated driving modes for mud, sand, and rocks, the Hilux gives drivers precise control in even the harshest conditions. What's surprising, though, is how refined it's become. Dual-zone climate control, ventilated seats, ambient lighting. These aren't features you'd expect in a workhorse truck, but Toyota has blended capability and comfort seamlessly offering something for both commercial users and everyday families, with multiple trim levels available, from stripped-down work versions with vinyl floors to upscale models. With leather interiors and connected tech, the Hilux truly offers something for everyone. Dual cab models are the most popular thanks to their passenger space and flexibility, but Toyota continues to offer single and extra cab options for businesses and tradespeople who need pure function. Toyota has also taken a big leap forward in digital connectivity. Through a mobile app, users can remotely start the engine, precondition the climate, schedule maintenance, and track vehicle health in real time. Fleet managers will especially appreciate the telematics system, which offers data on fuel usage, location tracking, and driver behavior. It's a new level of operational control that reduces downtime and increases efficiency for large fleets. Finally, Toyota has taken a Hilux global in a whole new way. As emissions regulations tighten and demand for greener vehicles rises, the company is shifting toward a more sustainable future. Hybrid and mild hybrid powertrains are now central to Toyota's commercial vehicle strategy, making the Hilux a smarter, more responsible choice. And thanks to a modular platform, the truck can be tailored to fit the needs of various regions, whether that's diesel in one market or hybrid in another. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most impressive vehicles.